Yeah. Go ahead, Stephen. What you said? Go ahead. Sorry.
We thank you for figuring this out for us. We got it. Could have done by ourselves. So our time's up. I appreciate it. Is there anything else you want to say?
No, I think you're on your way, and wish your mother well for on her new chair.
Okay. All right, Rob. Well, thank you very much. We sure appreciate it.
Cheers. Have the best evening ever. Bye bye. Bye bye.
Surprise! Woo!
Just don't use the remote. You said use the.
Yeah.
Should go down. No. Right. There you go. Just hold it for a minute. See if it goes there. Okay. No, I'm good. It's all. You need to put some extra screws and. Oh, I've got all these things are bolted 4 times. That's the only one I didn't get all of them. No, I've got them. I just haven't put them in yet.
So the black stopper will automatically stop. And there's not a connector on the bottom side. It just goes into a wire wrap.
Okay. So
This piece here.
no, it's on. No, the lever is on the. Is going to strike the ramp. It's
Okay.
It's going to strike the ramp.
So do I need to put the chair back down to adjust it?